Hello my friends, welcome back to another video of Tech Over. Today in this video I'm just gonna be showing how we can play Forza 5 for free. You can see this information of Forza 5 free weekend, which has been started in 17th of August and going to be expire in 21 of August, and you have to hurry up to install and testing this game here on your Steam account. So what you're gonna do is just have to open this Steam and type here Forza 5. You will get the Forza 5. You can install this game by clicking on play now once you got here on this page, and I already have this game and I'm playing every day, so it's very enjoyable game. You're gonna click on play now, you will get all setups and you can install this game to your PC and you can test it. If you like the game, this game will be like a demo for the players who just are thinking to buy or not. This is a chance for you can play the game for free for 4 days, and so that's how you can just do that. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please subscribe to my channel, share this video with your friends if you like the video. Don't forget to hit the like button. See you until next quick tutorial videos. Bye bye my friends, peace.